Morning. Hey,
Georgie, how you going, mate?
Schmick with his
good, man. Thank you.
How's Sarah going?
How's she going? All right, man. She better? She's in bed.
So late.
Last night, my mum called George and I could tell in his face that there was something wrong. So I got on the phone to my mum and straight away I knew something was up.
Yeah, Sarah's grandma passed away. So, yeah, it wasn't good.
Do you guys need me to do anything?
No, all good, all good. Thank you anyway.
Where is she?
She's in bed.
Yeah.
When you're on the block, you just don't think those things happen. You think that the world stops with you, but it doesn't. I was really nervous to kind of get out of my room in the morning because I didn't want to face it.
Sarah, are you in there?
I just had to have some time to myself.
Sarah. I'll come back. Take care, Dom.
Yeah, I needed time. That's all I needed.
We know we're doing a TV show, but when we found out the news, like, everyone just let us be by ourselves and
Let us
wasn't
be
in our
humans.
face. It was beautiful.
It was nice.
It was actually, we really appreciated that.
Yeah.
They just let us grieve, you know? It was good.
George, how are you, mate?
Good, mate. What's happening?
Sarah, how are you? I'm sorry, I've heard.
Thank you.
I'm very, very, very sorry.
Thanks,
My
Scotty.
goodness me.
Yeah, not a good day.
No, no. Crikey's, you're away from home and it's a stressful time already for you.
Hard.
And this is, you know, it's very sad.
Yeah.
So we'll do whatever we can to make it a little bit better. I'll get Keithan down on the case. We'll sort this out. This is not important.
Oh, thank you, mate. I appreciate it.
You just let us know when you need to go. We'll fly you anywhere. We'll fly you home.
Oh, thank you.
Stay overnight. Stay with the family.
Yeah.
Do not worry about this.
Oh, thanks, mate. Really.
All right, no worries, no worries.
Thanks,
Come
buddy.
here. Sorry.
You smell really good.
So do you. See ya.
Thanks, Scotty. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to cry.
Scotty came and he kind of gave his condolences and said to us, like, mate, don't worry about the room. We'll fix it. You guys go be with your family and that's it. So it was really, really nice, actually.
You all right?
The block is not easy, mate, and to have stuff like that going on, it's a double, like, it's already hard, and then to have to think of that on the back of your mind.
You're part of the block family.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
everyone's
It's really
fantastic,
proved it this
like-
week, yeah. I'll see.
Drive safe.